Why are that diamonds valuable? Why are diamonds so expensive? The major reasons of this is because a lot of people think it's valuable, so it's valuable. So diamonds value actually is decided by how people think it is. As long as people think it's a good stuff, it's very rare, it's very beautiful, then its price will remain high. But what if I tell you there's a lot of sustainability issues about my diamonds? Maybe like the ethic, how the work environments of those miners, they kind of things. Then you may think, oh, I shouldn't buy my diamonds, and diamonds price will drop. This kind of way of new thinking still not mainstream, yeah, but that's for a lot of young people maybe it's a thing, but for other generations maybe they don't think so mainly. But over time, when the young generation become older generations, this kind of thinking will become mainstream. That's why those mine diamonds may be an issue in the future. That's also why Pandora just say they are going to switch to they're going to sell lab grown diamonds starting from the UK. I think that's a smart move because this is a little bit like a fossil fuel versus renewable energy now, or like a gas power cars versus electric cars. Now you can maybe get a very similar cars with gas power with electric. Because of some ethic concerns, some environmental concerns, you will prefer electric cars. And for diamonds, I think this is the same thing. If you can buy almost the same diamond, what kind of diamonds you will choose? You probably choose the one that is better for environment, which is lab grown diamonds. Theoretically, that's what Pandora is doing, and not to mention, lab grown diamond is much cheaper than my diamond. This is a little bit different from electric cars because now if you buy a gas power car versus electric cars is still more expensive, and it comes with some inconvenience. For example, it's harder to charge than the gas powered car. These problems just don't exist in the lab grown diamonds versus my diamonds comparison. So I believe in the future consumers will shift to lab grown diamonds. That's why Pandora is like preparing for that. I believe for the lab grown diamond that will be a little bit different because every company can do a lot of companies can do lab grown diamond, but not many companies can really do diamond mining. So that's the thing. The situation will be a little different. And according to Pandora, the lab grown diamonds are just the prices of it is just 1/3 of my diamond. So that's a huge difference. If it's you, which one would you choose? If you couldn't actually tell the difference at all, right? But I would say definitely because if I tell you this stone is my diamond, it's a natural diamond. This stone is lab grown, artificially made diamond. You will you will just subconsciously think the natural one should be more expensive, it's more valuable. Maybe they don't have any difference. Okay, so that's the thing. That's a very interesting thing. And if you look at the production of the lab grown diamond and the natural diamond in 2020, the lab grown is 7 carats compared to the mine diamonds, which is 111 carats. So it's still a huge difference. It's still more than 10x difference. I think it will happen is lab grown diamonds, the production will be catching up with mine diamonds. They also do a survey, something like that. What's the concern of sustainability to you when purchasing a diamond? And for the millennial and Gen Z, those young generations, they think they will put this as a priority when purchasing those diamonds. I do believe when the millennial and the Gen Z become the dominant purchasers, this situation will really change. The lab-grown diamonds will really have more influence than my diamonds, or they may even don't want to buy diamonds at all. They can happen as well, because like diamond that when you propose with a diamond, that's actually like marketing thing, right? They may change in the future. They won't change it that fast. It takes a few decades to change. Okay, so some concern of lab-grown diamonds is one of the biggest concerns is it takes a lot of energy to produce because you need to put a lot of pressure to carbon dioxide so that you can make it a diamond. It's a spatial structure, and so far a lot of lab-grown diamonds they use fossil fuel to do that. If you use fossil fuel to do that, that's actually it's also not good for environment. So the lab-grown diamonds that's made by renewable energy, that may be the future. Actually, lab-grown diamond is actually lab-grown diamond. It's originally like it's invented very long time ago, but it wasn't a thing until now. All right, so that's today's news, today's review. If you would like to receive more videos like today's videos, don't forget to subscribe. Your subscription is really the best encouragement for me to make more videos like these. Other than that, I will see you next time.